Scarlett here, the creator of Wonder Curl. In this video, I am going to share some tips on how to care for your medium porosity, loose, curly hair. Medium porosity hair can get dry when it isn't moisturized properly. For that reason, you want to use moisturizing shampoos and conditioners when washing your hair. We recommend our Detoxifying Clay Cleanser. It is gentle for cleansing but also very moisturizing without weighing your hair down. It also helps with the detangling process. Using a moisturizing conditioner will not only hydrate your hair but coat the strands to help with moisture loss. Our restoring hair treatment can be used as both a rinse out conditioner or a deep conditioning treatment. We recommend using it as a rinse out conditioner. Leave it in your hair for 5 to 10 minutes. If you're going to deep condition, then no more than once per month and for up to 30 minutes. When applying your styling products, you want your hair to be damp to wet. You don't need a lot of water as getting moisture isn't your problem, but moisture loss. Apply in sections, starting with the moisturizing hair pudding, then follow immediately with the Get Set Hair Jelly. Use amounts and build on that until your hair is fully coated with the products. We recommend sitting under a hooded dryer or using a diffuser to dry your hair. Air drying or natural drying will weaken your hair, which will make it harder for your hair to retain moisture over time. Follow these tips and your medium porosity hair will stay hydrated for days. And if you want to get the best products recommended for your hair based on the 4 pillars of hair, then head to wondercurl.com and take our free hair quiz. Thanks for watching.